Good evening, class. I'm John Chepkemei, and I'm taking you through Introduction to Surveying. As we've learned yesterday about surveying, today we are going to see about the introduction of surveying, and we are going to start about definition of surveying. And under definition of surveying, surveying is the process of determining the relative position of natural and man-made features, or under the Earth's surface, the presentation of this information either graphically in the form of planes or numerically in the form of tables, and the setting out of the measurements on the Earth's surface. Next, we are going to look at types of surveying. Under types of surveying are mainly be classified into two groups. That's plane surveying, geodetic surveying, and under this we are going to look at geodetic surveying as the first. Under geodetic surveying, it is a particular type of surveying where the curvature of the earth is taken into account. Since the earth has a spherical shape, the line connecting any 2 points on the earth's surface is curved or is an arc. Hence, it involves the spherical trigonometry. In geodetic surveying, large distances and areas are measured, and its degree of accuracy is comparatively high. Next, we are going to look at plane surveying. And under plane surveying, it is a specific type of surveying where the surface of the earth is considered as a plane and the curvature of the earth is not taken into account. The line connecting any 2 points in the straight line and the angle is taken into account. The line connecting any points is a straight line, and the angle of polygons are plane angle. This type of surveying is suitable for small and flat areas, and its degree of accuracy is comparatively low. In America, the limit of treating a surface as a plane is about 250 kilometers square. Next, we are going to look at the importance of surveying. And under importance of surveying, we have point number 1 is to identify the land boundary. Somebody to read for us the next point. Yes? Yeah? Yes? Another one? Okay. Next point. Tools used in carrying out surveying. Number 1 is levels, safety gears, prism and reflector, magnetic location, poles, tripods, and mounts. Under levels, we have a wide level, reversible level, tilting level, and digital level. Under this leveling, we are going to look at a dumpy level. And as we know, a dumpy level is used for only leveling activities, especially on a flat surface. And a dumpy level is commonly used level instrument to locate a point in the same horizontal plane. It is also called an automatic level or builder's level. Elevation of different points and distance between the points of the same elevation can be determined by dumpy level. The telescope is fixed to its supports in a dumpy level, and hence it cannot be rotated in vertical axis. Under this dumpy level, we always start by setting out. This is whereby you spread the legs, tripod legs. You mount the dumpy level. You use the foot screws to ensure that the bubble is well leveled. And after that, you use the focusing screw to adjust. Like for example, if somebody has a staff, whereby you are going to use the adjusting knob to bring it to be clear, and you take the readings by looking at that through that eyepiece, whereby you will be able to read the staff. And class, I want somebody to read for us the parts of a dumpy level. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Thank you. Yeah, have you seen where the tripod legs is? We always place it on a flat ground and ensure that it is well leveled to make the dumpy level well fixed. Then you will ensure that you spread the legs well to make it stable. And also, this dumpy level should be handled very well to avoid mishandling, so that it cannot fall. And another thing you have to consider is how to carry that dumpy level and how to fix it. Class, before we summarize, I want somebody to summarize for us. Okay, thank you. Another one, somebody to add something. Somebody to add anything? Addition? Any question? Question? Viola, are you in class really? Tell us something. Okay, thank you. Class, you have to take it serious because next week we are going to have a cut, and I'm requesting, please make sure you go through these slides because I'm going to send it through your class rep, and make sure you go through it, read, and you make notes. Then before we end our class, I want to give you an assignment. And this assignment, I want each one of you to draw a dumpy level, well labeled. You name the parts, then also add the functions of each part of a dumpy level. And then after that, ensure that you go through the procedure for setting out the dumpy level. And that one we are going to look at it next week. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for your cooperation. I appreciate and I wish you well. I wish you a blessed day. Thank you, thank you.